There's some weed. Dude, it's right back there. It's screaming. I don't know what it is. I don't want to get attacked though.
Make sure you record in case I get attacked by it.
Of course. What's up, guys? So right now I'm inside an abandoned bowling alley, and apparently the roof collapsed in it, and we're gonna go check it out. Place looks cool. I've seen a lot of shots on Instagram from it, and I'm finally here giving it a look. So yeah, let's do it. This looks like maybe the kitchen or break room. I don't know, maybe a room you can rent out for parties of some sort. It's really decayed. It's in bad shape. It's the hallway? Oh god. Oh, that is a skinny hallway, guys. This is weird. Holy cow. Hey, look at that, guys. It's like a little water feature fountain. We're gonna go take a look deeper in. It's also really slippery. There's actually carpet here. I think this was one of the banquet halls you could rent out if you were having a party in here.
I'm gonna film the lane in case my camera and my light die.
Yeah, this is definitely a banquet hall of some sort. This is looking like the kitchens. Oh yeah, there's a vent up at the top. It's definitely a kitchen. It's got the orange tile. A lot of grease. Alright, I'm gonna go check out the lanes now.
You know, it's caving in over here too.
Ah, it's dripping. Alright, this is where the lanes are.
Alright, cool. We found the actual lanes. Why is it smoky?
It's the fog.
Oh, it's the fog from outside.
It doesn't really come across good on the camera, but this is a giant bowling alley, like a Brunswick or something. And look at those ancient scoring boards up there. Look how old. The computer scoring system. And then we have the bowling lanes. Judging from the point. Hey, there you go. Looks like a Brunswick zone.
Oh, is it a Brunswick zone?
It is. There's Brunswick on the chairs.
There are bowling pins everywhere too.
See that, guys? These are the lanes and the gutters. Here's where all the pins were. I've never been able to walk out to the end of a bowling alley before. That's really cool. Here's some pins. I want to set them up. See if I can bowl a strike. Oh, it's flooded back there. You can see that. But here's the pin mechanism. This is what would, oh, there's some pins in that mechanism there. That would pick them up, spin them, and put them in place. Some bowling balls. 15. There's it all set up. I got manual focus on. I hope it's good. Now we're down to the part where it all caved in. If you guys can see that. Let me get my light out. I don't want to light too much up. But yeah, this is one of the lanes here. And as you can see, the ceiling just came down. And there's nothing stopping these from coming down either, which is a little scary. But what are you gonna do? It's crazy to see this destruction. This place was really big. Wow. It's like a wasteland out there. Goes way farther. Now that's cool. You can see one of the monitors falling sideways. All still inside. It's really sketchy in here, as I've said before, but look at this. Things are just falling off the ceiling, and this light actually already collapsed, and whatever all this stuff is, all from the ceiling. So I definitely gotta be on guard in here. I'm guessing there was an arcade, and maybe this was the gift shop, quite possibly. Just a thought. That's the collapse part. There are houses right up there though, so I don't want them to see me. A ton of Fago. A lot of Fago. Oh, this was the back storage area where they kept all the styrofoam cups and tennis shoes, or not tennis, what am I saying, bowling shoes. Even more down there. Alright guys, I hope you don't hate me for this, but I set up some bowling pins and I think I want to try and push that bowling ball into them and see if I can knock them all down. Alright, here goes nothing. See if I can pull a strike. Nice. So close.
Well, it wasn't police, right?
It wasn't, unless they're monkey police then.
Yeah, if it wasn't police.
We just heard like such a weird noise. It sounded like a screaming monkey. Like, wah, wah, wah.
Did you?
I didn't get it on video, no. There's some weird... Dude, it's right there. Oh my goodness. Dude, it's right back there. It's screaming. I don't know what it is. I don't want to get attacked though. Raccoon. Yo, careful, bro. We're cornering it. It's gonna attack us. I want to see what it is, guys. It's probably up in the rafters here. It was yelling earlier. I can see it in there. It sounds like it's getting attacked.
Is that just like a possum or something?
A bird? Oh, I heard a flap. It's over here in the corner. I'd be careful though.
Make sure you record in case I get attacked by it.
Of course. Do you see it?
This is not a good position to be.
It's right there. That creepy little noise.
Is this ice still frozen?
I wouldn't trust it.
Okay, where is it? You think it escaped? Because there's footprints, dude.
Is there?
Yeah.
Maybe it ran away. Yo! I hear it! It's over here! I heard it. I swear to God I heard it. Oh! It's right there!
Where?
It just broke something up there. And oh, I see it moving. Holy shit, that's creepy.
Where is it?
It's right in this crack. Come over here. You can't really see it anymore. I just saw it move. It's up there. I hear it.
Where is it?
There's a really creepy monkey sounding animal in the rafters. You could use this ladder to go get it.
Just a raccoon.
It's a raccoon. Is he looking at you? Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
Look at a little friend up there.
It's a raccoon, right?
Yes, that's a coon, all right.
I didn't know they made noises like that.
Yeah, that's creepy. Guys, I want you to see the little guy. You guys see that?
Oh, it's peeking its head out.
It's like eating something up there. It's probably eating another
There's
raccoon.
2 of them.
No way.
I just saw something move.
Something else? It's like a family.
There's one up in that rafter right there.
This is crazy. Let's get out of here.
There's one up there. There's one right there.
The little guy's gonna fall through. Every time I explore with you, there's something in the ceiling. There's a pegboard here, and there's a brush on it. Bunch of stuff. Probably all the tools to fix these, if need be. That goes right down the lane.
We're all the way down there.
Yeah, here, shine your light
All
over there
these
again.
machines. Yeah.
Look how far that goes, guys.
Yeah. The damn raccoons. It's so cool.
So apparently back in the summer, Max here, he came and to this place, and apparently it was just full of water, right? And you couldn't get back here. But now that it's super cold and it's the winter, it iced over, and we get the chance to take a look at all these machines.
Yeah, from back here. Pretty incredible.
There's so many of them. All the lanes. And it's pretty thick ice if you can see the cracks going through it. Now this is where it collapsed. The entire roof fell in. For pin setter use only, keep out. So this is where they kept all the tools.
Yeah, so where's the machine that throws your ball back? Is that must be under the ice, right? Yeah, because it goes underground.
I guess. Oh my god, yo! It's a person! Unless they took them out, look at, you send it through there. And it goes down into the ground. You guys see down there?
Wait, seriously? I thought it was all like a robot.
It is a robot nowadays, but...
Okay, so...
Or maybe they just ripped it out. I don't know.
Yeah, they could have ripped the machines out. Maybe...
Scrapped them. Here's where the roof collapsed. Really sketch. Look at that. Oh, you can see outside. Check this out. We found some old boxes of bowling pins.
Guys, but let's
look used.
Junk that's frozen in the ice.
Look at this. Are these new? Oh my gosh, dude, these might be new. I don't know. I don't think so. There's some dents in some of them. That's really cool that there are boxes though. Alright guys, so this was a really unique and cool location. It was definitely abandoned a very long time ago. Joining me was Strange Places, Max Power. He's got a channel. I'm going to put his link in the description. Go check him out. He's got cool stuff. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this explore. So if you like what you saw, drop a like. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next explore. Peace out.